Hi guys. So, been a little bit, but I have made a customization to the old Cheyenne that I think some of you would enjoy. So, um, if you take a look on the inside, which is where this is located, is going to be a big difference. Top mounted ESC. Perfect for everything, really. Cleans up the back here so that it's more centered weight. Granted, it's a little higher. I also have my truck sit much lower, so it does. Well, I haven't really ran it through its tests. I just did this today, but it should do just fine. I have a bar that I can put across here, which I will be doing just for stability wise. I don't want it to be nicer. I am done with the 2-speed transmission. I have had zero luck with that thing. I probably spent the gears are like $5 to $6, so I've probably gone through like 7 sets, maybe. There's a lot of money in that. I should put it that way. I'm sick and tired of it, so I'm going back to the single-speed transmission. This single-speed transmission is actually broke. The case of it, anyways. But I plan on getting a new one anyway. That's gonna be the same as the Jeep, where it's the clear, I think it's nylon case, and then it's got the metal Enduro gears in it, so both of them are Enduro. But that one will be running this will be running the stock gears for towing capabilities and everything. The brushless system on the single speed stock is way faster, from what I can tell, than the 2-speed gears. Off of running it with the speed gears and everything engaged with the brushless system on this thing is all around way better. The 2-speed, garbage, if you ask me. Um, on the speed gear and even the stock gear, I could not do donuts with this, and now I can do all the donuts in the world with this thing now. I can roll it, flip it, almost pop a wheelie. But it's nice that I got single speed because I could do the raised ESC, which also helps with the water that I run through, considering before the truck could only go about inch and a half above the roof where the ESC sat in the back here. That's how the water could be like that far above the roof before it cut out. Now with this being here, it's a significant increase in height, so this is probably doubled, so I could probably go about say 2.5 inches maybe. But anyway, how I did this was took the ESC, 2 zip ties, zip tied to a a aluminum square piece that I had laying around that I drilled 2 holes through to fit that. And then I took these Enduro shock mounts that I've been running on here, and I took the advantage of running 2 screws in them and making it so that it's stable. The only way this is going to move is bending it now, so works for me. Keeps it. I mean, I can push this all the way down anyway, and it still wouldn't hit the motor in there, so I ain't worried about it. The motor seems to be doing just fine. No overheating. Well, actually, not heated. It got hot when I had the 2-speed in here, but now it doesn't really get hot all that much. So, figured I'd show you guys that, and yeah.